I'm Matty Matheson, and I'm Canadian. I love Canadian food. It's a part of me. It's what I love eating. You like maple syrup? You like pancakes? You like Canadian bacon? Great question. You know, it's French fries. It's gravy. It can be beef gravy. It can be chicken gravy. It's also fresh, squeaky Quebecois cheese curds. You guys have the Bloody Mary, and we got the Caesar. We love clam juice. Get that clam juice flowing. Tim Hortons, a great establishment. They have a coffee called the Double Double. That's 2 creams, 2 sugars. It's what I drink. I have one a day just to keep me safe. Maple syrup's good on a lot of things, but obviously really crispy bacon, and then as you're frying the bacon, pour a bunch of maple syrup into the pan. It will kind of caramelize, and all of a sudden you have really crispy, crunchy bacon covered in like a maple syrup caramel. It's incredible. It's really good for you.